I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google AI Studio and creating a new video project. Once done, upload your script and media. You must choose resolution and frame rate early so rendering settings match your assets. Make sure to label tracks and organize files into folders to speed later edits. Also pick a voice or TTS style now, because timing and lip sync depend on it. These first steps lock the structure. They prevent wasted exports and ensure your edits behave predictably as you build scenes. You now assemble scenes on the timeline and align media to your spoken script. Use AI Studio's B-roll generator and smart trim to fill gaps. Once applied, tweak keyframes for smooth motion. Make sure to run the audio enhancer and normalize levels so voice clarity holds across cuts. When using TTS, set pauses and emphasis markers so visuals sync with speech. Preview at full resolution frequently, because small timing drift compounds during rendering, and you want accurate pacing before you complete the project by choosing export presets and starting the render. Once started, monitor for errors. After export, inspect audio sync, captions, and motion artifacts and compare to your reference timing. If something's off, re-render only the affected segments to save time, or clear the studio cache and retry the full job. One key troubleshooting tip: if lip sync drifts, reduce bitrate or export audio separately and realign on the timeline, then merge for a clean final file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.